po, another ano na naman po yan sa buhay ko, another field. Ayan. So, yung pageantry naman po, mas maaga po siyang nag-start compared sa courtside reporting. Kasi yung CSR po, ngayong college ko lang po siya like na-equip. Pero yung pageantry, first pageant ko po was in grade 7. Yes po. School-based lang po siya. Like, nirepresent ko lang po yung section namin. Grade 7 po lang po ako noon versus grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, yan po. And from there, ayun po, lagi na po akong pinanlalaban sa mga next pageants, kahit school-based lang po siya. And then, nung senior high naman po, kahit nag-pandemic, ako na po mismo yung humahanap ng pageant. Parang hindi ko na po kaya, parang namimiss ko na yung stage, ganun po. So, ako na po mismo yung naghanap ng pageant. And then, nung college po, nung college po, nung freshie pa lang, sumali po agad ako. Nakakapal po ng mukha ko. Sumali po agad ako sa Miss University Bed, representing po yung UST. So, freshie pa lang po ako noon. Wala pa po talagang experience. Lalo na online pa po yung first sem namin noon. So, yun po. And then, lately po, last year, after 3 years, 2 years, yes po, doon na lang po ako ulit nag-join ng pageant. And this time naman po, I represented first yung course namin, Asian Studies. Then, I got crowned po as Miss AB, which is sa faculty po namin. And then, lumaban din po ako dun sa pangkabuuhan po, yung equivalent po ng Miss UST title. And yun po, luckily I won po. And it was fun naman po kasi even after nung coronation night, even after nung pagsuot ng gowns, ng mga, yun po kasi yung mga isa sa dahilan, ba't gusto ko rin po sumali na makapagsuot po ng gown, makapag-ayos, ganon. Nagkaroon din po kami ng mga advocacy projects after nun. So, lately lang po, noong April 14, nag-plan po ako, nag-initiate po ako ng advocacy project wherein nag-invite po kami ng parents from a certain community. And then, pinapunta po namin sa UST, sinundod po namin sila from their community, papunta po sa UST. And then, nagkaroon po ng seminars, ng cooking workshops, ganun po. So, it was very fulfilling po, yung pageantry. Kasi, beyond the crowns, the glitters, the makeups, and everything, you get to fight for what you advocate for. And yun po, yung advocate ko, which is yung SDG 4, Quality Education. Yes po.